Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara and I'm not going to make this intro long at all. I just want to let you guys know how this video is going to go. First of all, I'm going to show you guys this hair that I am wearing and how I installed it, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you guys my final thoughts on this hair and just basically talk about this hair more in depth. Okay, so if you guys want to know more about this hair, then definitely stay tuned to the end. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to where you can buy this hair from. So if you want to buy that, check the description box below. And don't come to the comment section and start asking me where did you get this hair from, because I'm just saying it right now, like, it's in the description box. Like, don't be asking me that question. Like, watch the video and stop skipping. Stop skipping. That's rude. Okay? Anyways, guys, I think that's all I have to say for this intro. Enjoy the video and I will see you guys in the video. Okay, bye. So yes, honeys, that is it for this video. I'm so loving this hair so much. I've had this hair for a while now. As you can see, it's starting to mat up at the end, but it's not that bad. Come on, it's a synthetic wig. I really like it. But I've noticed something in the camera. It's looking like they're like white dots, because I recorded this video before and I was like, I watched it and I was like, what is it looking like they're white dots on my scalp? And I had to re-record it today again, and I played it back on my laptop and it's actually still showing that. So I don't know if it's the lights, because in real life it looks good, but like on camera it's looking like they're white dots. Let me turn up the lights to see so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Can you see it looks just like my scalp? So I don't understand what exactly is going on. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Anyways, guys, let's just get right into talking about this hair. This wig was sent to me by a company called ReadyWig. I'm going to have all the details in the description box below. It's a full frontal wig, so it's a 13x4 lace frontal. So basically it's 13 inches from ear to ear and 4 inches of parting space. The knots obviously do not come bleached. It's synthetic wig, so I had to spray my leg spray or whatever that's called, and then I went in with my powder as well. It did not come with baby hairs, so I had to cut some baby hairs myself, and the curls do a really good job at bouncing back because I have combed and brushed and, you know, just really did things to this hair, and it's not like the curls are still there. Shut up, this laptop. The curls are still there, you know. I'm just like, okay, that's pretty impressive for a synthetic wig, because usually when I buy synthetic wigs that are curly, once you brush them a few times you just start getting like really poofy at the end, and like hair gets so flat and it's like, what are you doing? But this one itself is so nice. It does not shed. Like literally the shedding is like, anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions about this hair, apart from where did I buy it, because where I bought it is in the description box below, don't ask me that question, okay? But if you have any other question about this hair, like just, you know, whatever you want to ask me, just ask me in the comment section below and I'll reply you ASAP as soon as I can. Okay, I'm just really happy about this hair. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, wow, it's really dry in my room today. Drink water, babies. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That shows that you like it, you know what I'm saying? It's just kind of like you have to show you like it. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave, share this video with your friends and family. Don't be stingy, you know, like let's all slay, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, guys, I'm annoying myself with the way I'm talking, so I'm going to let you guys go and, you know, just save you all from all this. Okay, bye. I love you. Mwah.